machines and robots built by man have trodden Mars, they have never returned to our planet, so we have never brought samples of the Red Planet. The Curiosity, one of the probes that has given us more information about the planet, can analyze stones thanks to its robotic arm, but it is not the same as having samples for analysis on Earth, through a human. Not only for ease, but because on Earth you can do a much more thorough analysis. But, bringing rocks and geological samples from Mars is not easy, because not only does it have to take a probe there and land correctly, but it will also have to collect samples, and take off again, in addition to entering the Earth. Several projects will make it possible to create a colony on Mars, some of them private, such as SpaceX, and other publics. But NASA has a plan to bring stones and soil samples from the neighboring planet. And he wants, more specifically, to start it up by 2020, when he plans to bring geological remains of the planet. Because yes, while private companies such as SpaceX are trying to take humanity to Mars with a permanent colony, NASA is content to bring samples to Earth. And in reality, it is a much more realistic plan, especially considering deadlines and the economic part. Actually, there is no plan as such for a mission exclusively to bring rocks, but one of the functions of Mars 2020 is to bring rocks. The plan is that the rock that picks up leaves on a surface that will later be collected in another mission. And the time of collection would most likely, in 2026, with the mission MSR, Mars Sample Return, reaching the samples to our globe in 2029. In another mission, the Mars Sample Return, which is the one that will really bring the stones and dust back, and, therefore, the one that is really important, is not yet programmed. It is not even confirmed, although everything points to it finally being carried out, and it is supposed to be carried out at the end of the decade in which we will soon enter.